So good morning. This morning I have a special guest on the line here. Is RX President Mark Wilson, and he's going to do a little special welcome to our new people in Australia there. And wanted to reach out to you and tell you a little bit about what's going on and some of the future you might have working with us in RX. So Mark, are you on the line?
I'm on the line. Thank you, Marcus, and good morning, good afternoon, or good evening down under. We're excited to have you as part of the RX team. Oftentimes I think about the amazing time I've spent in Australia. I love your country, and the people are as friendly as they get. So congratulations on taking this first step and being part of what an exciting movement has become around the world. We're now in 11 countries, and getting in early is probably as key as there is anything. I can't think of a better opportunity to be one of the first that is joining this great company in your wonderful country and being able to explode and have all of that growth be below you and on your teams and your organization. So that's going to take time to work, time to really get out there and make something happen. But the most important thing is position and timing, and you are positioned in an incredible team, one of the fastest growing teams there is in all of RX as well as in the industry. So it's an exciting time to be part of something. We welcome you. We're excited to have you part, and I look forward to meeting you all soon as we continue to grow that amazing country.
Well, thank you very much for that welcome, Mark. Really appreciate that. I know you're very busy, but thank you so much.
Well, welcome and take care. Thanks.
All right. Bye-bye.